The specification of this green is a 200mm drainage layer, which is 10mm clean stone, and a 300mm root zone layer, which is a 70-30 mix. This is Mark bringing up one load of root zone. He's tipping it. The boys will now shovel it around, taking off the tops, treading it and raking it, ensuring that the 300mm is precise. And come spring we will be seeding with pure bent seed.
Mark, you're stood on what is a huge construction, our new practice short game facility here at Kingsdown. Can you just give us an idea of what the layout of this will be and what exactly it is we're looking at in all these shots?
Well, the layout will be, as you see, you've got 4 tiers, so one at the top corner, one at the bottom, one where I stood here, and one in the left corner. We're going to have roughly 6 pins on each section and chipping pins in the centre.
So Mark, we're in what will be the pot bunker on the new practice facility. Can you just give us a bit of information on how exactly it's going to be constructed over the coming months?
Yeah, sure. It's going to be an eco bunker construction, which is revetted style bunkers using synthetic materials. This is going to be a metre high face with a 70-degree fall to about 8 inches at the back. It's going to be lined to stop any contamination or stones coming through, and we're also going to use a blinding layer of stone, which is 10mm clean stone.